Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making the Sokka costume. I spent just 2 days on it. What I did off camera before I started was I seam ripped a shirt that fit the person who's going to be wearing this costume, and I have used that as my pattern, as you will see. I'll just be telling you what I did as you see it done in the video. So let's get this started. So first I took the blue fabric and I laid out those shirt pieces that I mentioned before, and I added a little bit of space between the other ones so that I could create a slant for the cross section. And then instead of cutting all the way down at the bottom, I cut all the way down to the end of the fabric, and then for the sleeves I just laid 2 pieces of fabric. Then I took those and I sewed them all together according to where the shirt that's pinned to them would have been. I took off the shirt pieces and just sewed that through the machine. I didn't go all the way to the bottom because Sokka needs to have those open flaps at the bottom of his outfit that he wears. And then yeah, so that's what I did for that part. And here I'm connecting the sleeves, connecting the other sleeve, and then I went through and just fixed up the loose hem or the loose ends of the fabric, and I folded those in about a centimeter, half centimeter to centimeter. Then I hemmed the ends of the sleeves. Yeah. So overall that part was pretty easy to do. Got it done pretty quickly. The next part I did here. Oh no, that's still the same thing. So on the open ends now, what I'm doing there is I'm just folding it over so that there's a bit of a rolled edge. I didn't use my rolled hem foot, I just did that. So then I took 5 inches of white cloth that I had stitched into a long strip. I folded it in half and put it along the collar and the edge that will be on there. I pinned it all the way down, but then I realized as I was doing it that I only needed to go to his waist. Sorry, this isn't the best angle. So yeah, you saw there I was trying it on the person who's going to wear it, and the white part only goes to his waist. Then I'm adding a snap right here so that the slanted part on the top will stay closed. For the waistband, all I did was I took the excess from the Sokka costume and I added it on there. Alright, so Sokka costume. This is what I was able to make. So we've got the slits on the sides like that, on both sides. The waistband I made from the excess from what I trimmed down from the Sokka costume. And then, I mean, you saw me put it together. So it was pretty easy. Just traced one of his shirts, put it together. This is my brother-in-law Jordan, by the way. He was philo last year. We did an anthropomorphic gender bend of that. But this year he's being Sokka, and we're going to use my sword instead of a boomerang because we happen to already have a sword. So that's the meteor sword, the space sword that Sokka has.
Bye, space sword.
And yeah, other than that, for the Sokka costume he'll have Under Armour, and then I'm going to make wristbands that are made out of white strips of cloth. So yeah, pretty easy costume actually. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, feel free to do so. Bye.